Hey everybody, Joe Lego Man here. We just made an IKEA order, so we're gonna head out to Etobicoke because we've ordered the Billy shelves. We're gonna go pick them up, bring them home, start putting them together. So we're going for a road trip, guys. We're going to IKEA.
Yes. Is there any sponsor?
Etobicoke.
How much is that?
Wow, everybody's happy. Let's go. So listen, everybody.
What?
Who wants to take a guess how many shelves we got?
10.
You say 1. You say 10.
Because that's just weird. One shelf to fit the MTT from 2007.
Babe,
Yes.
we got our order at IKEA.
How many?
We got 7.
Oh, that's good. Did you pay it?
We're gonna pay on site. So let's get to
Ready to
Etobicoke and let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So we are here at the Etobicoke IKEA to pick up our Billy shelves. I know how many I ordered. The kids don't, so we're gonna see. So the whole gang is waiting for me to go get the truck, which is way over here. You know, I went to order online. They have it called Click and Connect. I wanted to see how many they had in stock, so I actually phoned IKEA and I asked how much is at this location. They said they have plenty. I said okay. Then he says, would you like to place the order online or I can do it on the phone with you? I said, well, let's do it on the phone since we're already talking. Went through the whole process, all their information, what I wanted, where I wanted to pick it up. He's like, okay, your order's set. They'll call you when it's ready. I get here. They got no record of it because apparently that wasn't a Click and Connect order. So I had to pick it all myself, but it doesn't matter. We got it, and we're gonna go drive home. All right. One by one. Push this one forward a little bit. Lift and in. Got it.
Other side,
So we're back from IKEA. We got 5 of the 7 shelves here. We got 1 here, and I'm going to be putting together the other one way over yonder. So it was quite the little adventure, quite the day. So like us, subscribe, drop us a comment. We'll catch you in the next one. I'll show you what these are like.